And we are live. Hello, mga kwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good evening here sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So have you ever had a bad day, tapos biglang merong stranger na ngumiti sa'yo, or someone held the door, or simply said, "Salamat po." Ang gaan ng pakiramdam, 'di ba? That's the power of kindness. Minsan maliit lang yung gesture, pero grabe yung ripple effect. Let me share a short story. Isang araw may lalaki na nagbayad ng kape ng isang young mom. The mom was so touched. Umuwi siya, nag-bake siya ng cookies para dun sa sick neighbor niya. Then the neighbor, he felt love, so he decided to call his daughter and they reconciled after years of silence. So imagine, isang simpleng kape lang, pero ang daming buhay na na-touch. So we often think kailangan malaki yung gawin natin para makagawa tayo ng pagbabago. Pero minsan, it starts with something small, like a smile, a kind word, or a helping hand. In life, we always have a choice. Pwede tayong mag-react with frustration or we can respond with kindness. Sa traffic, sa trabaho, sa bahay, kahit sa social media, lagi tayong may choice. At alam nyo ba, kindness doesn't just change the person who receives it. It also changes you. Mas gumagaan yung puso, mas nagiging peaceful ka, mas nagiging meaningful ang buhay mo. Kaya kahit minsan mahirap, choose kindness pa rin. Kasi yung ripple, babalik din yun sa'yo. And you know what? Isa rin ang reason why I love our digital business. Every time we share our stories, our testimonies, our opportunities, it's an act of kindness. Hindi lang siya about money, it's about planting seeds of hope. So think about it. When you share this business with someone, baka hindi mo alam na sila pala yung naghahanap ng way out of debt, out of stress, out of living paycheck to paycheck. Kapag nagbago yung buhay nila, damay ang pamilya nila, and even the next generation. So that's the ripple effect of kindness. So mga kakwento, remember this. Kindness doesn't have to be grand. A smile, a word of encouragement, and even sharing an opportunity could change someone's entire life. So tonight, I encourage you to choose kindness. Sa maliit na bagay, sa malalaking bagay, sa araw-araw. Because when you choose kindness, you're not just changing someone else day. You might just change their future. So let's go out there and spread ripple of kindness. So thank you for spending time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Tomorrow, my go live will be at 12 noon. That will be 12 of September, Philippine time. In US, it's 11 September, 9 p.m. I have a very special guest. She's originally from the beautiful Fiji Island and now based in California, USA. So see how global this business is. Ang saya, 'di ba? So bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about our business, you can direct message me or sign up or register on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.